One drop of your blood. Inside hides your strength and weakness. One of 4 hidden codes is yours. 42% carry type O, 31% type A, 15 carry B, only 4 carry rare AB. One species, one DNA, different blood. These molecules decide who survives and who dies first. This is not astrology. This is evolution. 50,000 years of plague and famine wrote your blood. On every red blood cell sit molecular flags. Type A has one, B another, AB both. O has none. In 8 minutes, you will see what your blood does to your heart and why diets are lies. 50,000 years ago, every human in this savanna carried one blood group, type O, the original. Then came humanity's worst predator. Not lions, not famine. Malaria, killing half of every generation. The parasite uses A and B antigens like glue, clumping cells into deadly clots. O has no antigens. This is why Africa today is mostly type O. Malaria killed everyone with antigens. Death shaped the blood. But malaria was not the only war. London, 1854. Cholera. Type O died nearly twice as often. Type A appeared 30,000 years ago. Type B, 20,000. Type AB, just 5. Each carries scars. Then came the Black Death. Europe, 1346. Half the continent died. Each blood type, a survivor. Think of each blood type as a signature. O has none. A and B their own. AB carries both. We start with the oldest, most common type. 42% watching this carry it. Type O. If you are type O, you share blood with the oldest survivors of our species. The genetic spine. The O red cell is naked. No antigens. To the immune system, a blank canvas. The universal donor. In an emergency, your O blood can save anyone. Hospitals stockpile O for every disaster. Civilization's reserve. O has a serious superpower. Your heart disease risk is 14% lower. Meta-analysis, 1.3 million people. Another O strength. Lowest pancreatic cancer risk. Type A is 32% higher. AB 51, B 72. In a malaria epidemic, type O is gold. The parasite cannot grip your cells. Your gene wins. Every superpower has a cost. O has 35% higher ulcer risk. H. pylori loves your stomach lining. And cholera, the disease that killed half of London. Type O dies almost twice as often. Open gut. COVID confirmed it again. The 2020 genome study. O has 12% lower severe risk. AB much higher. On average, type O lives slightly longer. Lower heart, lower cancer, lower clots, the blood of a survivor. Here is the O profile. Oldest blood, strongest against modern killers, weakest against gut foes, genetic spine. Now we leave type O. Welcome to type A. 31% watching, the blood of farmers and cities. If you are type A, you carry the blood of farming. A Eurasian mutation 30,000 years ago. The A antigen is a sugar called N-acetylgalactosamine. One sugar separates you from O, your immune signature. The A antigen has a hidden cost. Type A blood clots more easily. Heart risk 14% above O. Type A also has 50% higher venous clot risk. Clots in the legs can kill within hours. The cost grows. Type A pancreatic cancer risk is 32% above O. The same antigen helps cancer, but you have a hidden superpower. Type A survives cholera better than O. Antigens form a slippery shield. A short warning. In Japan, they say type A is shy and pedantic. Pseudoscience since 1927. Type A appeared with farming. Settlement, bread, beer, close homes, close pathogens, blood evolved with civilization. Today, type A dominates Europe. From Norway to Spain, more A than other types. Legacy of farmers. A real biological fact. Type A often produces less stomach acid. better with plant food than red meat. Type A's hidden strength. You are built for the city world your ancestors made. The cost is heart and cancer. Your A profile: cholera survivor, city blood, civilizer paying with heart and cancer in the modern world. If you are type B, 15% share your blood. Blood of nomads, of the steppe. The B antigen is built from another sugar called D-galactose. One swap. It changes everything. Immunity, risks, history. Type B emerged 20,000 years ago in Central Asia. Among nomads, adaptive, mobile, resilient. In India, type B is most common. Across Central Asia and the Middle East, everywhere. Westward, rare. And the cost. Type B has the highest pancreatic cancer risk, 72% above O. Decades of data. Type B has 11% higher heart risk than O, but lower than A. The middle blood adapted broadly. Like A, type B is vulnerable to severe malaria. The same flags defining you, the parasite uses against. But B blood handles cholera as well as A. Centuries of nomadic life selected this strength. Strong gut. Studies suggest B has more diverse immune cells, centuries meeting new pathogens across thousands of miles. But there is a quiet weakness. Type B gets more urinary tract infections. E. coli loves B antigens. B's hidden superpower. You are built for change. Different climates, bacteria, food. Modern mobile life suits you. Your B profile. Specialist in flexibility. Nomad blood. Cost in the pancreas. Gift in adaptability. If you are type AB, you are rare. Only 4% of the world. The newest mutation in our species. Type AB carries both antigens, both flags, all advantages and disadvantages. Universal recipient. The body fights complexity. The cost of both antigens. Type AB has the highest cardiovascular risk, 23% above O. The most striking finding. Type AB has 82% higher dementia risk than O University of Vermont study. The mechanism is partly explained. AB has the highest factor VIII clotting protein. It inflames brain vessels, but the hidden superpower. AB has the strongest cholera defense of any group. Both antigens form an unbreakable shield. The AB profile. The newest evolutionary draft. Only 5,000 years. Strongest cholera shield. Highest disease burden. Before we end, one warning. The blood type diet. The 2013 review found no evidence it works. Here is what works. Donate blood. One donation can save up to 3 lives. Knowledge saves another life. Get screenings. If A, B, or AB, watch your heart and clots. AB, watch memory in midlife. Each blood type survives its own war. O fights malaria. A fights cholera. B fights pathogens. AB shields strongest. Your blood is not your fate. It is evolutionary armor. It tells what your ancestors survived. Pure biology. Your blood is not a curse. It is a survivor's mark, written by 50,000 years of war. Subscribe.